This beautiful custom-built home in the Shady Lake area has just been completed and is ready to move into. Situated on 1.49 acres with approximately 2,518 square feet, you'll love the open floor plan this home has to offer. This lovely 4-bedroom home features 2 huge living areas with fireplaces in each. There are beautiful window treatments throughout, incredible crown molding, vaulted ceilings, hand-textured walls, and more. The kitchen is wonderful with granite countertops, a center island, and a large pantry. Both the kitchen and dining room have a vaulted ceiling. The isolated master has a cake ceiling with an incredible master bath. You'll love the wonderful resort lifestyle this home has to offer, priced at $324,500. For more information on this home or on building your dream home, please call William Branson with Branson Homes at 806-354-9828.